Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to start our discussion on some C++ programming fundamentals. Specifically, we're going to talk about a decision structure called the if statement. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you learned something new, I ask that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be talking about C++, and I'm going to be talking about a decision structure in C++ known as the if statement. I have a couple examples here for you guys. I have the second one commented out here just so we can focus on the first one. And if you didn't know, in C++, this is how you comment out a block in code. It's just a slash line and an asterisk at the beginning and a slash line and an asterisk at the end. So for the first example, I wanted to talk about basically what an if statement is. It's basically it lets you evaluate a condition, and then depending on whether that condition is true, then you would execute what's actually inside the if block. For this example, I just created a variable, an int variable called first number, and an int variable called second number, set to 120 and 90. And I'm basically saying if the first number is greater than, this is a greater than symbol. This is the greater than comparison operator in C++. If the first number is greater than the second number, and then we're going to execute this statement. The first number is 120 and the second number is 90. So as you can see, that does hold true. So we're just going to print to console the statement. We're going to say what the first number is. We're going to add a space here. We're going to say that it's greater than, we're going to add another space, and then second number. So basically, first number is greater than second number. So let's go ahead and build this, and let's run it and see if we get what we're expecting. One twenty is greater than 90. So it looks like everything's working correctly. As you guys may know, some of you guys who are familiar with Java, or some of you guys who are already familiar with C++ who know that Java is really similar to C++. They have a lot of similarities. So this C++ may look like some Java code you may see in the past, and vice versa if you're coming from C++. So that's a good thing to note. Another example I have here for you is this one. Let me go ahead and comment out the first block of code so that we can focus on the second example. All right, so in the second example, I have a more practical example. So let's say that you're a game developer and you're currently creating an autosave feature. And in an autosave feature, you're wanting to stop the player's game and you're wanting to save their progress. If they stepped away from the game, you haven't gotten any interaction with their current gameplay. So you're wanting to just save their current progress and exit out of the game for them. Let's say this is a feature you're wanting to add. Somewhere within that code, you could probably use an if statement. So you could basically say, if the current seconds is greater than or equal to max seconds. So when you've reached this max seconds value, you basically want to print out a statement, max time reach, game will now autosave. Of course, we're just printing this statement in this example for simplicity, but in actuality, you would probably have some type of actual functionality within this if statement that actually performs the autosave and whatnot. So in this example, I have the current second set to 120, the max second set to 90. Because this 120 is greater than 90, we're going to go ahead and print out that print statement, which is max time reach and game will now autosave. This is a print out statement for C++. As you can see, it is count. And then you basically put two backward facing arrows, and then you actually put the string statement that you do want to print to the console. So let's see if this works. I'm going to go ahead and build it. and I'm gonna run it. All right, and it looks like it's working. If you guys enjoyed this video, I ask that you please subscribe so I can keep making more videos. If you have any suggestions for improvements or you have any questions about what I talked about, please drop a comment below. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.